What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Hungry Road. Thank you for tuning in. If it's your first time seeing my face, please go and smash the subscribe button and like the video while you're at it. But today we are here at Beacon Falls, Connecticut. You ever heard of that? It sounds like a pretty nice romantic sort of place, but it's nighttime. I can't see a lot going on right now. But my man Christian from Antonio's restaurant invited us out here to check out the new menu. Well, not new, but like their menu. Apparently they've been here for 50 years, not here, but in business for 50 years. So in 1971, his father, Antonio, opened the spot across the tracks or river, whatever it is, in Oxford, Connecticut. They, I think, like 20 years, they took a little sabbatical, took a little break, and then they opened this spot here in Beacon Falls. So it's classic Italian. They are Italian from Salerno, so this food is going to be incredible. But yes, that's really but the gist of it. We have a few things on the table already because he's not playing any games. He's just sending food out for us. So here we go. Let's try the water off for the first time. No, I'm kidding. We're going to do water. But we have this bread. I don't know what to make of it. It just showed up. It looks soft. Wife said it was delicious. We got some butter here. Let's go no butter because the butter is kind of like in these little plastic things. We do have oil and Parmesan cheese and red pepper. Let's just try it two different ways. Straight up bread. Because we go to Europe, they don't give you butter. They give you just the bread. Maybe the oil. Fresh, soft. They feel white bread. But it's solid. This is the bread you want to use to suck the sauce that we're probably going to get later. Just for the heck of it, I have an extra piece of bread here. Let's just dip it in the oil and the red pepper and see if we got some magic that happens. Let's go for it. Super comforting. The oil gives me a little bit more salt, a little more grease, a little more fat. Delicious. Let's move on. Alright guys, next up we have their, I know what this is called. It's the mozzarella cheese something here. We don't have menus in front of us. We took them all the way, so I'm gonna give you whatever I want. I said say no more. But check it out. It's a beautiful looking, like almost a stadium seating of mozzarella cheese right here. We get a nice cheese bowl. That's why this one is like that. If my wife will let me borrow that clip, I might throw it in here somewhere. Just say some words for a few seconds so that the clip can play while I'm talking. You don't gotta look at me, you can look at the clip. Alright, good. So now we have it. The cheese does cool down pretty quickly. Let's get some of that sauce. That's hearty. If you order this by yourself, that'd be your dinner. That's how heavy this is. I'm taking one bite. Yes, once you break it open, the cheese does cool down really fast. It's better to eat these when they're piping hot. You get more fun out of it. The sauce is really good. That breading is nice and crispy, tender, a little bit of crunch on there. More of a heartier breading, not like a tempura or anything like that, but still a very good mozzarella cheese stick here. Alright guys, next up on what I'm calling the tour of Italy. I don't know if this is a real thing on the menu. I don't know if he does prefix. I have no idea. I'm in here, bare bones, don't know what's going on. But remember Olive Garden used to have a thing called a tour of Italy? It was like a thick ass piece of lasagna, chicken parmesan, and like some noodles or something. What a time to be alive. They might still have that, but we're here. Real authentic Italian. No shade to you, Olive Garden. Call me. Anyway, we have the Caprese salad tower. Look at this thing, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm a huge fan of Caprese. I make it at home all the time. Fun fact, I literally have mozzarella, balsamic vinaigrette, oil, tomatoes in the fridge right now. I made it a couple days ago, but this is fantastic. Look at this right here. It looks like we have the basil, shredded basil. It looks like there's sun-dried tomatoes on top. Mozzarella, tomato, sun-dried, mozzarella, tomato. Or are they peppers? Let's find out. Let's give my wife a good slice here at the top. Can we use our knives, our forks here? Hold on. Go ahead and pull a toothpick out. Okay, give me a second. All right, toothpicks are out. We're still standing. Let's go for it. Let's grab the top piece because, you know, we love our wives. So we give her the best. So we got the knife. Boom. I should have been a surgeon or something, you know what I mean? So good. She got that piece here. Let me get mine on my plate. We'll cut it and give it a shot. I ruined my plate. Remember that with the oil? We're gonna go for it on this plate. Alright, got it. Fork, knife, we're cutting right into it. Let's go for it. Very thick tomato. That must be a beefsteak. My favorite. Oh, there was prosciutto on here. Whoa, this is next level. Look, there's a little bit of meat. So there's a prosciutto on here. Let's cut the prosciutto. Yes, it's spelled prosciutto, but they asked in Italian, it's prosciutto. So we got the sun-dried, we got the, I'm taking so long to do this, that thick tomato, got some basil on here, let's go for it. Way better than what I make at home. Wow. You gotta hit that again. You gotta hit that again. That is fantastic. Got bruschetta. So like usually on Caprese you have tomato, you have the mozzarella, the basil, salt, olive oil, and the balsamic vinegar. You can freak it out if you want, add some pepper or some spice on there, but I'm sure he didn't put salt on here because you got the prosciutto that gives this the salt that it requires or needs or whatever. But this is excellent. I don't want to go on record, but this might be my favorite Caprese of all time. And we've been to Italy. I don't even know if we had Caprese in Italy, but it don't matter. This is delicious. More basil. I'm not wasting more of your time. All right, guys. Next up, we have this sort of. It's not tortellini. Tortellini are small ones. Tortelloni is the big ones. So these little guys right here, adorable. So this is like a tortellona pasta. No meat. It's just cheese. There's vodka sauce. There's a little pesto in here. Some parmesan on here. It looks absolutely incredible. So vodka sauce is gonna be a little bit lighter, more creamier than like a spaghetti sauce or a marinara would be. But let's go for it. I'm out the bowl with it. Let's get all the good stuff here. Check it out. All these little cheese pull. You see the steam right there? Look at that steam. I'm gonna risk it all. That was so comforting. So satisfying. Good cheese in there. Just a little bit of a sharper cheese inside the tortellone. Vodka sauce, super smooth, delicious. This is the sauce you sop your bread up in. One more time. Got another one right here. Look at the cheese. You see it? Look. Cheese pull, natural cheese pull. Let's go for it. Again, excellent, hearty, comforting. You'll fall asleep so fast at that bowl of this right here. I'm getting a little bit of tomato. The tomato base. That's obviously a part of the vodka sauce. This is so well done. It's hard for me to describe the flavoring because you gotta try it for yourself. A good sauce is gonna have everything blended together so well, where ingredients complement each other, and you can't really tell them apart. I could say BS like salt, pepper, paprika, garlic, whatever. Those are obviously in here. You gotta try it for yourself. One thing I can tell you, I like Chris. He's sending stuff out that's not even on the menu, and I don't know how to describe it. I can't get a preconceived notion of how it's supposed to taste and the psychological stuff. Don't worry about it. Next on the menu, we have what's called crab stuffed sole. Now, crab is crab, but you stuff it inside of a fish, and it has lobster sauce. I don't even know what to make it is, but I can smell the crab heavy, and I'm very excited. So let's go ahead and get my little knife, my little fork. That's such a thick, creamy sauce, and I love it. Let's go for it. Cut into it. Check it out on the inside. You see all the crab stuffingness that's happening right now. Might see a little clip of steam right there. Let's go for it. It's hot. Let's go for it. We got some greens here. Let's get the greens mixed in. Very interesting. A slight fishy taste, and that's okay because it's seafood, guys. It happens. It comes out of the sea. The lobster sauce. I'm getting a lot of lobster in that sauce. I feel like this is like a $80 entree because of how much lobster and crab is mixed in there. You know what crab is. You know what a piece of lobster is. You stuff that into a fish. Excellent, excellent. I'm impressed. We were talking to you kind of see if you look closely there. I want to fall off. You see the little white ring. That is actually the actual fish that is being stuffed. And you got the crab and stuff all on the inside. You see the steam there. We were talking to one of the other customers that was here. He saw me filming or whatever. He was like, yo, there's not a bad thing on the menu. I was like, all right, I trust you. And he said he lives up the street. He come here a couple times a week. Faithful regulars. That's how you know why this place has been around for 50 plus years. This is excellent. They can't go no wrong. I just want to know what else is going to come out because I am quickly running out of room. As I'm sitting with the crab stuffed sole with lobster sauce, I can give you a little bit more insight on it. The sole is a white fish. I don't know which sole this is. There are some found in Europe and some found in America, but it's a bit flaky, like almost like a tilapia. But tilapia is like almost like trash, but it's kind of is, but it's a little heartier than tilapia. It's just a good dinner, guys. I'm just so happy. That's it. I'm happy. I'll come back to tell you that. Let's see what's up next. Alright guys, it's the end of the clip here. Not the clip, but the whole thing. My wife is going to town here. I need to get this over before it's gone. Anyway, Christian, thank you. Your mom, thank you for having us out here. It's been a blast. We've talked to some of your regulars, and they say this is the deal. They come here 3-4 times a week. Leave the road. Good. I couldn't be here 3-4 times a week. I either be really, really overweight or super fat. But anyway, next up, last but not least, we have the cheesecake. As you can see, she's already been eating it. Most of it's gone. But so this is a Beacon Falls cheesecake. I was messing with Christian. I said, "Is this New York cheesecake?" He said, "Nah, it's Beacon Falls." I said, "Okay, it's BF cheesecake, no big deal." With biscotti that's been soaked for like 65,228 hours. He said, more like 12 hours. But also served with fresh homemade whipped cream. Oh, sorry, the biscotti has been soaked with Baileys. That's the most important part. This makes it alcoholic. Here we are. Now we're talking. And we got some raspberry sauce right here in the corner. And powdered sugar all over the whole thing. I got my dessert spoon. We're going in. Let's go straight cheesecake. Straight. Gotta try it by itself. Then we'll try everything else with it. Here we go. Decent bite. Woo. I heard about this cheesecake. I heard it's made of ricotta, so it makes it dumb, stupid, creamy. And this is probably the creamiest, smoothest cheesecake I've had in a long time. So, please, wife, dig in. Let's get one more bite here. I want to add other things to it. So we got the biscuit, we got the whole raspberry, we got the craziest bite you've ever seen. Everything is on one spoon. Look at me. Are you looking? You're not, because you're over there. Look. This cheesecake. Probably worth the 45-minute drive to get down here. I don't know what it costs. I don't care. I'd buy a whole pie and take it home. Matter of fact, just kidding. Wife would not let me do that. It's January 3rd. I gotta start over. I gotta do better. One slice cheesecake every once in a while. Won't hurt nobody. Anyway, guys, I'm rambling. Cheers. Check out Antonio's if you're here in Beacon Falls area. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, drive on down. Check the place out. Tell them the Hungry Road sent you. Or, clinkdrinkeat.ct. Make sure you find my wife. She's nice to look at. Really good reels. It's a good time. And that should be about it. You hear the peanut gallery, they're cackling back there. But anyway, guys, take care. Stay safe. Thanks for watching this far. There's never an empty tank or empty stomach on this road. We're still pushing for 3,500 subscribers. We'll get there. Or sorry, we're still pushing 5,000 subscribers. I've been past 3,500. The wine. It's the wine. Take care, guys. Thank you.